Morning student, myself Care Singh from Jayatri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 2nd principles of management. Here we see the third principle of management, cooperation not individualism. Cooperation will be more effective in comparison to individual work. So cooperation means different types of people can work together for the achievement of goal of an organization. So first one is extension of harmony not discord. Means if we see in previous topic, harmony means work together and discard means individual working. So if we can work with a harmony, we can work together, thereafter we have been more effective in comparison to individual work. Thereafter, complete cooperation between the labor and the management. If the labor and management cannot cooperate to each other, thereafter better output can never comes and the profit will never taken by the organization. So it is very important for an organization that labor and management have been cooperate to each other. The labor can do work effectively and management also solve the problem if any types of problem have been coming to the labor for their bonus, salary and leaves. There they must be provided at a specific time period. Thereafter, competition should be replaced by cooperation. If the competition will not reduce by the cooperation, thereafter it is very harmful for an organization. So competition will be reduced with competition will replace to cooperation. If all the people have been more cooperated to each other, thereafter the competition will be definitely reduced. And all the we know that all the people have been different types of skills. Some people have different types of skill, some and the organization cannot utilize their own skill. Thereafter this organization is not do more and more profit. So organization must see that how we can utilize that particular pupil skills and knowledge effectively. Thereafter, to have cooperation, management should welcome good suggestion of employees. If the management uh, cannot give the permission, cannot welcome to good suggestion of employees, thereafter it is not effective of an organization. It is not good for an organization. So management must welcome to good suggestion of employees. Thereafter, example, while assigning job to worker, if management asks them about their interest and then work is assigned according to their interest, then the worker will perform more efficiently. If the if the job profile is good according to the interest of the pupil, thereafter the pupil can do more and more enthusiastic way, and the organization will be more profitable. If the if the workers have been provide those type of work, those have been not feel good, he can take as a pressure of work, thereafter the company will not take profit. Thereafter, fourth one is development of worker to their greatest efficiency and prosperity. If the worker have been good efficiency and prosperity, thereafter it will be more and more better for organization growth. So it must be developed more and more to the workers. First one is industrial efficiency depend upon workers efficiency. If worker have been more efficient, thereafter industry have been take more and more profit. Worker should be assigned according to his physical, mental and intellectual capacities. All the work have been given as physically, mentally and intellectual capacity. They must know about the management and thereafter they can be distributed according to their own capacity. They should be given the required training to learn the best method. If the employees cannot provide better training, thereafter the particular output, the best output can never come. So they must be trained effectively to organization want to be take more and more effective output. Efficient employee would produce more and more and earn more. If efficient employees have been provide the work, thereafter he must show the valuable assets, and he have been profitable to an organization. Thereafter this will ensure the greatest efficiency and prosperity for both a company and worker. Yeah. Thereafter, if company and worker have been mutual understanding and they have been provide better facility to each other, thereafter it will be helpful for the both of them. Thank you very much.